My dear students at grade 2 computer science department, as usual we are continuing with the MATLAB programming. We started with the matrices and today we will do adding elements to vectors. So as you remember, we said vectors. What are vectors? For example, if I say that f equal to uh, 2 until 40, let me write a small vector 2 until 20, but the step size is 3, for example. So I have got this vector which is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. This one we call vector. What about the matrix? Matrix equal to, for example, I start the first row is from 1 until 3. When I use the semicolon means go start a new row or start a new line. So from 1 to 3, from 4 until, for example, 7 till 6, and we have 7 until 9. I close this one, I got this matrix. Okay, so this is we call vector, which is f, and this we call matrix, which is m. Now my dear students, if I want to add elements or numbers inside the vector, suppose that df equal to 1 until 4. Step size is 1. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So what happened if I said that df add a numbers inside df, which is from 5 until 10. Close this bracket, which is equal to, okay, as you can see here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing we call 4 elements in one row. I want to add numbers here. These numbers could be 10, 5, 15, 25, or maybe 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever you like. For me, I like from 5 until 10. As you can see here, I will get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or suppose that I want 5, start at 5, and the step size is 5 until 35. So I will fill the rest of the row with the numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. Okay. In assignments, AI equal to B. Okay, we have missed something. The df is qualified. You see, you will not understand the mistakes until you do it by yourself. So here we said that df started at the number inside this df, but from 5 until 10, and I started from 5, step size by 5 until 35. Is this correct? So let we count them. We have add how many numbers? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are 6 numbers. And here what did I say? I started from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. They are 7 numbers. So I cannot do this unless I make this one 30. Okay, this is would be accumulated in this number, which is from 5 to 10, like this one. Mission solved. Or for example, I'll start from 10 and at 35. So this is the result. I hope this is clear. So suppose that I start a new matrix. For example, AD equal to 5 until 8. This is my new vector, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose that I want to add another number, but it should be in column number 8, and fill the rest of the columns with zeros. So I write this one, AD of my column number 8 equal to, for example, again 8. So I got this 5, 6, 7, 8, 0, 0, 0 ended by 8. Okay, suppose that I want to start a new thing. For example, AR of 5 equal to 7. So what's happening here? I'm asking for variable AR, which is a name of vector, but I don't have AR. MATLAB does not know what is AR. So he will start a new vector with 5 columns, and column number 5 will be number 7, like this: 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5. We put number 7. Why? Because I just give him column number 5 equal to 7, but the rest, I, MATLAB does not know the values of these elements, so he assumed that it is 0. So let we go to something we call transpose. Transpose function is something like this: G, then there's a small comma at the top. This thing we call transpose. So for example, I have gt equal to, let we suppose from 4, step size 3 until 16. So I created this vector. So let me use another number, which is re, which is another variable, equal to. I will give these numbers, these elements, random numbers, 3, 8, 1, 24, for example. So I have gt and I have re. So the question is, what is re transpose function? You see, this transpose function reverse all the columns into rows. So this is column 1, stay column 1, row 1. This is column 2, will become row 2. This is column 3, will become row 3. Column 4 will be row 4. So suppose I want not RE transpose, I want to see the transpose of GT, for example. This is GT. Suppose that I want to mix RE with GT in something we call, for example, K. I will tell him K equal to RE space GT. In this case, I will merge the two vectors, RE, starting with RE, 3, 8, 1, 24, 3, 8, 1, 24, with GT, which is 4 until 16. This is 4 until 16. This is in what? K. Suppose I want K transpose function. So I write K. This is the transpose of K. As you see here, this is K. This is the transpose function of K. Or suppose that I want to start KH equal to KGH or KJ equal to, suppose I want to start from RE, but not normal RE, the transpose of RE. This is another way. So I don't have to transpose K, I will transpose RE and start a new line with GT also transpose. Close this one, I will get the same result as K transpose. I hope this will be clear for you, students. This is just a small lecture. I will stop here and thank you very much for attending my class.